Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then all you have to do, just come here to talk button here up, click here in this sign. So it's going to show for us like this. That's mean talk button up, notifications disable with enable with us now. So like you say, it's enable with us now, and here can you select sound. So that's all you have to do to enable talk button up. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.